one of the things I was bothered by is Trump claiming that there's widespread, as you're saying, low IQ theory, the widespread voter fraud. And I saw no evidence of that he provided. And all right, well, let's put that on the table. And then the other thing I was troubled by, that maybe you can comfort me in the context of history, how easily the base ate that up.
Yeah.
That they were able to believe the election was truly rigged based on no clear evidence that I saw. And they just love the story. And there is something compelling to the story that, like this DNC type, like with Bernie, the establishment just, they're corrupt and they steal the will of the people. And like the lack of desire from the base or from people to see any evidence of that was really troubled me.
Yeah, I'm going to give you one of the most depressing quotes, which is deeply true. Roger Ailes, who is a genius. Shout out to The Loudest Voice in the Room by Gabriel Sherman. That book changed my life too, because it really made me understand the media. People don't want to be informed. They want to feel informed. That is one of the most fundamental media insights of all time.
What a line.
Roger Ailes, a genius in his own right, who, he changed the world. He certainly did. He's the one who kind of gets credit for one of the greatest debate lines of all time, because he was an advisor to President Reagan. Whenever he broke in, he was like, "Mr. President, people want to know if you're too damn old for this job or not." And he inspired that joke that Reagan made, where he was like, I will not use age in this campaign. I will not hold my opponent's youth and inexperience against him. That was Ailes, man. He did the Nixon town halls. He did it all. He's a fucking genius. And I'm not advocating necessarily for the world he created for us, but he did it. And people should study him more. If you're interested in media in particular, that book is one of the most important books you'll ever read.
Yeah, you know what? That quote just really connected with me because, there's all this talk about truth. And I think what people want to, they want to feel like they're in possession of the truth.
Correct.
Not actually be in the possession of the truth.
Yeah, I know. It's one of the, it hit me too. Actually, Russell Crowe does an amazing job of delivering that line in the Showtime miniseries. So if you have the chance, you should watch it. And look, this is the problem. Liberals will be like, yeah, see these idiot Republicans. I'm like, yeah, you guys have bought a lot of crazy, stupid shit too, okay? And if actually, I would say liberal misinformation, quote unquote, is worse than Republican disinformation because it pervades the entire elite media like Russiagate or Cambridge Analytica or any of these other hoaxes that have been foisted on the American people. The people who listen to The Daily and from the New York Times are just as brainwashed, lack of informed, want to feel informed as people who watch Fox News. So let me just say that out there. It's an equal opportunity cancer in the American people.